Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to check Hotmail storage in 2025. If you're like me, you probably have a ton of emails piling up and want to make sure you're not running out of space. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. Remember, Hotmail is now part of Microsoft Outlook, so we'll be using the Outlook interface for this. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Hotmail account via the Outlook website or app. If you haven't already, head over to Outlook.com and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Click on it to open up your options. Next, in the settings drop-down, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. This will take you to a more detailed menu. Now, navigate to the General tab on the left side, and then look for Storage or Account Info. Depending on the 2025 updates, it might be labeled slightly differently, but it's usually under the General settings. Once you're in the Storage section, you'll see a breakdown of your available space, how much is used, and what's taking up the most room, like emails, attachments, or OneDrive files linked to your account. If you're low on space, you can delete old emails or empty your junk folder right from here to free up some room. Pro tip: if you're using the mobile app, the process is similar. Just tap the three lines or your profile icon to access settings and find the storage details. This feature helps you stay organized and avoid surprises when you try to send that important email. And there you have it. Checking your Hotmail storage is quick and painless. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay digital savvy.